Now, dear audiences, the long-awaited moment has come. Do you know which university is one of the most selected and recognized, even the leader of the among private universities, which is approved by the Ministry of Education of Turkmenistan? Of course, that university is Istanbul Medipol Uniwersitetine. As each year, in the 2026 and 27, Istanbul Medipol Uniwersiteti opens its doors to the Turkmen students and invites youth to study. Do you also want to achieve your dream field? With deposit only $1,500, so easily you can select your place in advance from today and achieve your dreams from this year. That's why don't put off your dream halfway, because your address, science and knowledge is Alazin Consulting for reliable solutions. Don't forget.
Alazin Consulting.